Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Maggie's Corner. So for today's video, gagawa ko ng pop-up book. Ito ang pop-up book, children's pop-up book na requirement namin for our summative in my subject, literature. So, ayun, matagal akong hindi nakapag-update kasi po tayo ay nabusy sa pag-aaral at the same time nagtatrabaho. So, ito nga po ay during my free time lang na ginagawa ko yung aking pop-up book. So, paunti-unti lang. And, naka-fast forward siya kasi it is a requirement na i-compass. So, nag-voice over lang ako para at least hindi naman ako mukhang tanga dyan, di ba? At ano. So, yun nga po pala ay meron akong malapad na papel. It's hard kind of paper na sinukat ko lang according sa size ng isang long band paper dahil yun yung requirement. And then at this moment, gumagawa na ako nung stairs. Yung ilalayer mo siya para dun ko ikakabit yung mga ilalagay ko dito para pag i-open mo siya is meron siyang pop-up effects. So, ito naman, gumagawa ko ng mga leaves. So, actually dyan, ang dami-dami kong nakat na mga leaves. Kasi akala ko, marami yung magagawa ko. And then, gumawa rin ako ng mga paper flowers. And then, moving on, by this time is, ginawa ko ito during night time. Ayan, nagsusolo ako ngayon yan. Tsaka, tinatry ko na siyang tapusin kasi deadline na siya. And nagprint lang ako dyan ng isang picture ng isang garden, then idinikit ko siya. Makikita niyo yan. So, kailangan mo lang pag gumawa ka ng ganitong pop-up book, yung talagang artistic ka, tsaka yung imagination mo is wide. Pero ako, masasabi ko hindi pa ganun ka-wide yung aking imagination. And this is actually my first time na gumawa ng isang pop-up book. So, ayan, garden kasi nga ang ano ko ay ang story ko is about a flower and it's about the meadow. So ngayon naman ididikit ko na yung aking flower. So para maging attractive yung aking flower ay nilagyan ko lang ng red ink doon sa edge ng flower. Tapos in the middle para ma-highlight lang yung beauty ng bulaklak. So, ganun lang. Simple lang kasi wala naman tayong time para pagtuunan ito. At syempre, dahil tayo ay nagtatrabaho din. So, ayan, kinakalikat ko pala yung isang petal nun para idikit ko naman siya ulit and then magmukha siyang nakabuka. And then, ipo-fold mo siya. So, ayan. Serious mode tayo dyan. Kasi, nagmamadali. Actually, nagmamadali na ako. And, honestly, wala pa talagang masyadong tumatakbong idea sa aking utak. And then, ang due time ng aking pagbasa ay supposed to be 11:59. Pero that time, I think, is 9 or 10 p.m. na nang ginagawa ko ito siya. And, ayun, kung ano na lang yung nakaya ko. So, by this time, gumagawa naman ako ng mga daisies. Ayan, and nag-cut lang ako ng mga papel-papel. And ito naman ay lumipat ako ng aking pwesto sa labas na ng sala kasi unexpectedly, umuwi yung aking mga amo and yung aking alaga because first, sabi nila hindi sila matutulog dito sa bahay nila. So, ayan, nasa sala na ako and medyo madilim kasi nga yung light ay pinahinaan ko yung light niya kasi tulog na yung mga amo ko and as much as possible ayoko nung maka-istorbo ako sa kanila. So ayan, medyo antok na ako dyan and nai-stress na ako kung paano ko nga bubuuhin yung aking pop-up book. Ayan, basta cut lang ng cut and then dikit ng dikit and tinatry ko kung okay naman na siya. So ito pa, una-una pa lang, unang page pa tayo, hindi pa tayo nakakatapos, wala pang natatapos. But anyway, ang pop-up book namin ay, it only requires at least 5 pages, at least 5 pages. So, ayan, it is actually just a short children's story, ayan, that have a moral lesson, but syempre, since the target audience is children, we need to be artistic. Although, I know, hindi ganun ka-artistic yung aking ginawa. But, I honestly na-appreciate din ng mga alaga ko yung ginawa ko because yung mga alaga ko ay mahilig na magbabasa ng mga stories before matulog. So, during bedtime, that's actually our routine. So, while I am doing this, except from the fact na requirement ito sa aking pag-aaral sa subject ko na literature, um, it's on double purpose para ipakita ko na rin sa aking mga alaga. And natuwa ako kasi it's supposed to be a surprise, but then again, it wasn't a surprise anymore kasi on the next day na umuwi ako, they surprised me instead saying that, Maggie, I saw the book. Is it? Is it the one you're telling us? Sabing ganun. So, I am surprised with their reaction because they said that it's still pretty. It's just like, it's just that one thing they don't like is there's a part on the story that because every story there always a part that you can say that is the highlight. Something bad happens. So, ayun, dahil kulang ako sa time and based on the availability of materials that I have lang. So, yung part na nagkaroon ng storm doon sa story, I just draw some of it and kinulay-kulayan ko lang. Ayun. So, they find it so ugly. So, I just explained it to them that there's no storm that is good. Okay. So, this is the finished product, guys. Charan! I printed the text because I'm not that confident with my handwriting. So this is how it looks like. I just find it not a good choice of colors because it all looks green. So this is the one that they don't like. So ugly, they said. But the rest, they said, it's so pretty. How did you make it? So it made me happy. So the end. So as I said, it only consists of 5 pages. So that's it. Thank you for watching.